From battling oxidative stress to fortifying your digestive health and even promoting sound sleep, the potential benefits of this humble spice are mind-blowing. And what if I told you that simply soaking them in water and consuming this elixir at night could amplify these effects? Now let's start our countdown with the first benefit. Benefit 10. Improves digestion. Clove water can significantly enhance your digestion. Studies have shown that cloves possess antimicrobial properties which can help maintain a healthy gut flora. Furthermore, cloves contain eugenol, which stimulates digestive enzymes, ensuring efficient digestion and preventing discomfort. Benefit 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. Clove water's eugenol content acts as an anti-inflammatory superhero. It suppresses inflammation by inhibiting key enzymes, making it perfect for nighttime consumption when your body is in repair mode. Wake up feeling refreshed and pain-free. Benefit 8. Antioxidant-rich clove water is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, E, and flavonoids. These compounds combat harmful free radicals, and when consumed at night they work even more effectively during your body's restorative hours. Benefit 7. Improves liver health. Clove water assists your liver in detoxification. Eugenol in cloves enhances the detox process and prevents liver damage, while potentially promoting the regeneration of damaged liver tissues. It's a fantastic way to support your liver health. Benefit 6. Regulates blood sugar. Clove water's antioxidants help regulate blood sugar levels. It increases insulin production and improves insulin sensitivity, making it a natural and effective way to manage your blood sugar. It's particularly beneficial when consumed at night. Benefit 5. Respiratory health. Clove water's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can soothe your airways, reduce inflammation, and improve breathing. Enjoy better respiratory health by making clove water a part of your nightly routine. Benefit 4. Improves bone health. Clove water contains bioactive compounds that stimulate bone formation and inhibit bone loss. When consumed at night, it can contribute to better bone mineralization and increase bone strength. Benefit 3. Improves dental health. Using clove water as a mouth rinse before bedtime can combat oral bacteria, reduce inflammation in the gums, and improve overall dental health. It's an easy and natural way to maintain a healthy smile. Fun fact: dentists sometimes use clove oil or clove-based products for dental treatments due to its numbing and antiseptic properties. It's not just a folk remedy, it has a place in modern dentistry. Benefit 2. Improves cardiovascular health. Clove water's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties support cardiovascular health. They reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting better blood circulation and potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Benefit 1. Improved sleep. Clove water can positively impact sleep quality. Compounds like eugenol and beta-caryophyllene in cloves have sedative properties, helping you relax and sleep better. Antioxidants in cloves combat sleep-disrupting factors like oxidative stress and inflammation. Incorporating clove water into your nighttime routine can unlock a myriad of health benefits, from improved digestion and anti-inflammatory effects to enhanced dental and bone health. It can help regulate blood sugar, support your liver, boost cardiovascular health, and even promote restful sleep. So why not give this simple yet powerful remedy a try tonight? Remember that while clove water can be a valuable addition to your health regimen, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the benefits of clove water at night. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights into the wonders of natural remedies. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your health and wellness. We'll see you next time.